Crypto is not as complicated as you think. In the next few minutes, I'll explain cryptocurrency in a non-technical way, perfect for beginners who just want a simple overview. Cryptocurrency is digital money you can send on the internet. It's secured by cryptography and runs on open networks, so you don't need a bank to move it. When you send crypto, the network checks and records the transaction. Instead of one company's database, thousands of computers agree on the same history. That shared records is called a blockchain. Think of a blockchain as a public spreadsheet everyone can read and many can help update. New transactions are grouped into blocks, then added in order so it's very hard to change past entries. To use crypto, you need a wallet, an app or device that holds your keys. There's two types of keys. One, your public key. It's like an address. And two, your private key is the secret that lets you send. This is very similar to a password. Never share your private key or people can access your coins. Now, why do people use it? Well, global payments, fast transfers, and programmable money. Apps can move funds automatically 24/7. Some use crypto as speculative investments too. And that is what this channel is all about, investing and building wealth. But here are big reminders. Prices can be very volatile. There are scams and fake coins. If you lose your keys, you lose access. Fees and rules vary by country, so you might want to investigate this a little further before you dive in. Most beginners start with a reputable exchange or a wallet app that lets you buy small amounts. Learn fees, turn on two-factor authentication, and start slow. A great app that I have been using for years now is called Bitfavo. It is a big exchange with high volume, pretty low fees, and a ton of coins to choose from. If you want to start and get even lower fees, I suggest you click the link in the video description. Here's a quick recap. Crypto equals digital money, verified by a blockchain, managed with wallets and keys. It's powerful, but learn the risks first. If this helped, please subscribe to Wealth Circuit for simple videos on everything finance. Thank you. Bye.